Hello, fellow 911ers. Here we go again with a little bit of a improvement chapter on my 1984 911 Porsche Carrera Coupe. I have made several videos in the past about minor improvements after getting the car. I absolutely love this thing and it's been in great condition, but I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit here and there. Today's video is mostly about updates on the undercarriage, which will soon be dry iced. I'll do a separate video on that. But we began with a couple of things. For example, the heat shield was really rusted, so we got a new one. In fact, it was so bad it was rattling, and I thought it was something else. Thank God it was just a heat shield. We've gone under the car and changed a lot of the clamps. For example, the clamps that hold the oil lines and the AC lines were quite rusted. Some were missing and some were dented and bent. So we replaced all of the hooks and screws. Then we moved on to some of the clamps that hold the same lines towards the engine going up, and then change the clamps that hold the lines near the side of the body. We cleaned up a lot of the dirt that was under the car. We removed the shield that covers the the oil line, or oil pump, I should say, forgive me. And then took off the bar and shield that protects the front AC cooler. We took the opportunity to clean out the radiator. It was full of mud and had a few bent teeth or slivers or whatever these things are called. Straightened them all out, cleaned them. Removed the bar that protects it, wire brushed it, and painted it. We also took out the shield that protects the AC condenser, and the wire brushed and painted that as well. We also replaced the two tow hooks that are on the front to the left and right of the AC condenser. They were quite bent, damaged, and rusted. And I didn't feel like upgrading those or restoring those, so I just bought new ones. We then moved to the front air dam, which isn't in horrible condition. I will probably replace that at some point, but before that, I just took the opportunity to replace all of the clamps that hold it on. They were extremely rusted, very, very difficult to remove, but finally got them all off with the exception of two, which I will do later once I replace the air dam rubber. And we also took off all of the hardware for the two front fog lights, which were initially not working. Cleaned it all out. It had a lot of dirt and mud and junk in it, and finally got them wired up and working properly. And we're just gonna go on and continue to clean the bottom of the car a little bit more and send it off to get it dry iced. Before the dry ice, however, I went ahead and cleaned the oil off the two axles on the rear and detailed the Bilstein shocks a little bit, just cleaned up the residue that was there from years and years and years. And it's stayed dry so far, so I don't have any leaks. But anyway, it's looking pretty good. Wanted to share it with you guys, and thanks for watching.